Pwede kong laruin. Puking ina. Okay, bubuksan ko tong laro ko.
Alam mo,
Bubuksan
pwede
ko.
mong laruin, pre. Feeling ko dapat naglalaro ka ng
Death by AI.
Outer Wild.
Ayoko, pre. Nakita mo ng gameplay ko nun.
Death by AI.
Ay, pre, so many ways to
AI
die
tayo.
there.
Hindi ba AI sa Discord na gago?
Ang sabi mo, Dylan, sobrang ano?
Wala akong sinabi.
Basta may Azir. What the fuck?
Basta naglalaro na ako Hades 2, pre, tahimik na buhay ko.
Azir na may Azir na sniper. Help me.
What do you advise as my next move,
I'm
Commander?
losing, bro.
To pursue our enemy in the underworld?
Bro.
Or come to the aid of Olympus?
Ang gameplay ko na yun. Motion slap.
I say go wherever you can
Ubusin
get the
ko to, Rol,
stuff you
sige.
need the most right now. We got some
Ubusin ko
stuff
tong
down here they don't got up
31
there and so
gold
on,
ko.
right?
I suppose.
Oh, may set! Oh my god!
Ang
Meant to
ina,
take my vows.
yung Warden pre ka pala, no? Gago 6 umbral ka na. God damn.
That fear may spread.
Idiot. Sarap po, idol.
Panalo mo, ah.
Sarap mo, idol. Akin na yan.
All you have to do is not take damage, pare.
Akin to. Galing ko talaga. What?
For the realm.
No mana. Sige, pwede na yan.
Walang lumalabas na ibang umbral. Wait. May wait.
God damn. It's a fucking Ethereal Blade player. Talo ko dito, syempre.
By my birthright.
Hindi na ako ng rod.
Ang inang Shen player yan.
Give me rod, please. Give me rod. Boom. Grab
Sakit ng
talaga. Give me gold. Diba sa itong Shen, kahit kanina nga, guard breaker lang item eh. Ay, si Idol.
5
Oh!
minutes lang pala. Fuck.
Hindi ka reklamo, talo naman. Wala na naman.
Apakadali.
Hindi ka reklamo, panalo naman.
Hindi naman nila lang. Tangina, 2-star Ash na yung kakagawa.
Kuha kayo ng Shen, pre. Kuha kayo Shen, pre.
No, you don't.
Gago, ganda ng... Tangina na ito, ganda ng Ash item niya.
Kuha tayo ng Shen.
Nakuha niya lahat.
Face me.
Yun. Sada, ito natin.
Weak.
Item, What? 36%? How? Boom! 66%. May 36. Nandun sa Aatrox. Wait, talo ko! No! Ito si Zyra. Lopit.
He is.
Brother Poseidon's watery blessing already, yes, young lady? Well, I'll be blunt. We're going to need more help than that, so here.
Tangina. Dikit-dikit masyado yung mga buhay natin. Two-star Syndra, 2-star Ash. Na all.
Should head back out. They're trying to slow me down.
this is. The air is thick with the death and decay of your father's realm, and the desolation I have wrought. The pale moon can scarce cut through.
Outs 26%. Grabe naman. Pero 3 star. Wait, may na wait.
Pylon destroyed.
Ay, ah, shit. Wait, ano ba? Oh no, I won.
Your specials deal. Holy shit.
Yay.
Keenest blades of all.
Pwede na yan. 3 star. Yun eh.
This city belongs to the mortals.
Pwede idagdag pa. Invoker. Invoker.
Another night, another satyr slaughtered. Let's see
Sheesh.
how
Wala ako ng
Sino
sleep.
panglaban ko?
There we go. Slip.
Nuwe. Tinuwe.
Ano?
Nuwe. Aray ko!
Ay na, better version na ako eh. Kung talo siya. Inuwi.
death to
Kay
Cronus.
Pere Hephaestus, gago.
Wala na pressure oh.
Kagiwag.
Gagyo ka.
Gago ah.
Ewan ko, ang benta nun. Gusto ko yun, gusto ko yun. Gusto ko gaya yung linya na yun. Ayun na. Nalimutan ko, gaano kayo kasi nakausap. Lalo na pag ganitong oras.
Kakaiba nga tayo nito na. Shit.
No, I'm weak. No, I'm weak.
Hindi na patay dito ako. No, no,
No, I'm weak.
no.
No, I'm weak.
Hindi na item. Ay, item.
Ito yan.
Thank you.
Mistakes were made.
Boom. Boom. Give me the money, bro.
Desolation.
Oh,
Should be able to get out.
full of 5 cost.
Farewell,
Ito na to.
Athena.
Akin.
Let's go!
Eh, ba't ito? Mali.
Sister.
Ito pala, Azir.
Job.
At sa akin na lang yung set eh.
Ito pala sa'yo na lang. Sa akin naman, Azir.
See like coin need change hands.
MB, 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 MB.
Kunin din yung notes. Okay lang.
May
Ano
betlog,
meron
may
pag
betlog.
way?
May betlog, may betlog. Ay, Azir.
Nagamit.
Maybe.
Boom.
I
3 star. Sarap mga idol.
you're no
Star Alun eh.
I'm no
Alun
shit.
eh.
Each time you know I'm here.
Alun eh.
No matter the softness of my approach or anything I do to
Busog.
mask my scent, your senses are very keen.
Yeah, well, when you lose your eye, you gotta learn to compensate. And I never saw too good to start with. You could never tell how far away things were.
It must have been extraordinarily difficult,
Alun eh.
nevertheless. And now you use these heightened abilities to tend your flock.
Alun eh.
Heightened abilities, I like that. Look, this world's a real ugly place.
Ang
The
ina.
difference between you and me is I don't gotta look at it no more. Now hold still or start running. I don't
Ay
even
ko.
Or...
Siya na naman. Ito naman kalaban ko.
Holy shit! What the damage?
Ito naman kalaban ko. Wait, ano siya? Bitch. Idiot dog. of dog.
Well, that was my fault. Grabe yung damage, hayop. What the fuck is this build? What the Sigma?
That will show him. See you at the crossroads.
Bobo. Puta. Bobo.
Sigma.
Nung pumunta ako Marikina, nalala ko yun eh. May nakita ako sa may isang sa isang truck, parang sa dust na may nakasulat of the Sigma.
Pucha. What the Sigma?
Ay, gago, 3-star siya na siya. Oh no.
Oh no.
Shouldn't take too long. Don't be afraid.
No, please. 4th place lang. Masaya na ako.
Dun eh. 4th place lang.
You must want something to eat.
Masaya na ako sa 4th place.
Take me away.
Please.
Sana wag ikaw kalaban ko, hindi kita kaya.
Please.
Sana hindi ko kalaban ko.
Malaban.
It's no
My
use.
God, di ko na kayang effect si Seth. Fuck you, Seth.
So tight. Oh! Oh.
Olympus, I accept
Pwede
this
yan?
message.
Ako yung malakas pa kalaban ko.
Imagine. Naku, si Noe pa kalaban ko. 34%. Salamat, ha?
Amin.
Salamat. Ha?
Saan kayo?
Wait. Patay, miss. Bukain na mo! Ah! Oy! Mali kayo ng tina-target,
Pick up the
idol.
pace.
Kaya sino yung naka-jack show?
Boom, bitch. Yalo.
Eh,
Alun.
alun eh. Alun.
Ah, hindi niya ako kaya, bitch. Oh, wait. Hindi niya kaya. Wait.
Wait.
Hindi niya ako kaya.
For me.
Yes. My threat is gone.
Just gotta do things fast, right?
Wala na ako upgrade eh. Ito na yun.
3-star Darius na yata. Baka walang kwenta yung bot. Wala, Sigma.
What the Sigma?
Tangina. Bobo. Tanginang bobo. Oo. Oo. 2%! Oo.
Sana kalaban ko. Ay, sana kaya.
Kalaban ko eh.
It's time.
Ano
Also
kaya?
here.
Hindi ko siya kaya.
Wing and Paul
Help
of
me.
would arrive.
No,
Lately
patay
is the
ako.
temperament of Our Lady Hecate.
Oo.
Long has
Wait,
it been
tumatagal
since
pa ako.
last
Wait.
I basked in her wisdom. For I
Siya
have
rin,
wisdom
tumatagal.
of my own, she says.
Kaya ko siya. Kaya siya sa
You
akin.
must have needed
Oh.
her attention more than I.
No, I lost.
Madam Cersei, I did not mean to
Oh!
deny you her attention.
Yeah! Let's go!
Wala kayo dyan, ah.
Leading the unseen.
Ano ba yung
leading the
pangit
creatures
eh?
against your harm. Readying our plans to take back what's ours. She's counting on us.
It's me or
On
you.
you.
Tayo na, mamatay yung backline ko sa'yo
I
eh.
know. And I apologize that I insinuated any
Sana pala
feelings
siya
of
na rin natira.
resentment on my part. For none exist towards you, let alone her. You
Sana
have
pala
my
siya na
word,
lang.
Poppet. It's just...
Sige, Lods.
She was like a mother to me. Oh, how she hated when I told her so.
Ito na ginalaw board ko.
Parang ginalaw
Oh, 5%!
eh. Kung mapapatay mo agad yung Syndra, di ba? Hindi yun magmamantot. Ayun o.
That is your will.
Walang gagawin niyang yun eh.
Titan-sized.
Naku, naku, na-snare pa. Naku.
Oh, okay. At,
Sige. Boom. Pangit! Supot!
gago pre, gusto ko makalaro ng puso mo. Hindi ko awan naman yung batang yun.
Kawawa naman mo. Dito lang tayo dito.
Harap. Bito.
Start an activity. Ito, colonies.
Hindi pre, yung Dead by AI nga.
Ito, chess in the park. Ano to, chess in the park?
Hindi ko lang pa nakita
Chess in the park.
Putangin lang yun, chess. Chess na.
Laro ko magkita mo.
Chess nga lang. In the park.
Tara, chess in the park tayo. Yo, chess in the park.
Ano eh?
Yo, who's in the park?
Who's in the park? Great game. Random. Ayan. Sino kalaban mo?
Kala dyan.
Kaya kailangan. Tara, chess in the park.
Boom!
Boom.
Wait, can I choose my piece?
Di ba makakasali dyan?
Pangina pre, chess to. Hindi mo yung Death by AI.
Sige, manood na lang ako.
Hindi mo yung Death by AI. Tapos ko to agad gamit ang aking special move.
Pineapple under the tea.
Beach. Special move, beach.
Nagawa mo ngayon mali.
Sink or swim.
Yes.
Chess! Chess in the park. Ano yung activity?
Tira kay.
Kaya kita eh.
Not right now.
Inuuga. Tag.
Ayan.
Hindi gusto mo maglaro ng Kenshi.
Puta yan, nagaya ng Kenshi si Gago eh.
I mean, kung gusto mo ma-outweigh yung luck mo, what's a better choice, ba?
Hello, Madi?
Hello?
Wala, dinilit niya. Sabi ko nga yun yung point na ano niya, malas niya. Trust me, it is it.
What the fuck are you doing?
Our challenge is to purge them.
Oh shit, it's a duo. It's a duo.
Puti, putang ina.
Kung mag-alala, alam mo ginagawa ko.
Alam mo ginagawa mo.
To regrow when not a
Okay.
trace of life remains.
Pre, kainin mo.
Of little
May kabayo ka.
now.
Ba't di ko makita yung activity nila?
And we shall
I did not
salt
saw
the
that.
earth beneath their feet.
Kita ko yun.
Hello? Guys?
I did not know that.
Not even from on high. You said yourself you're
Yung
not
nagawa ni
supposed to
Wally
be
nung
here
ginagawa
with
mo,
us.
tanga.
Kronos may have flung open the
Magaling
underworld
mag-chess si
gates,
Kyle, di ba?
but your place is still below with us.
Puputa yan. Ayun.
Ayun, no? Gagi.
What?
Ano nangyayari?
Ayan, join activity. Fine, that.
You're winning.
Yung chess game to.
Modi, you're winning.
Tikita mo yung pawn.
Shit. Bob! Bob, kainin ko na yung queen mo.
Combat shade
Taas mo yung pawn. Check siya.
Ano pon?
I think Ares na susunod. I got 3 minutes to beat Ares.
Ano ko inilis na si Modi?
Holy shit.
Modi? Modi.
But I don't need that though. Ito na lang. Ito.
Palit mo na lang yung pawn mo.
Tapit.
You're in my
Tapit.
way.
Tapit.
Hey, trouble.
Oh.
Tapit, Modi.
Ano nangyayari? Sumuli pa yung black?
Si Modi mo yung black. Close enough.
Ang role ba ng chess pag napunta yung king sa dulo, mananalo?
Oh no. Ganun yung ginagawa ni Modi.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Lock na siya. That is... Kyle, bahala ka na dyan.
Takbo, bitch.
Yung mate niya mo dito doon nakapunta. Papumpon na yung nagalaw.
Takbo, bitch. Okay, takbo, bitch. Hindi na check.
Let's go!
Oh, sige.
Clean!
Oh,
Ping bong?
oh! I fucked.
My soldier's fight.
Hatid mo yung phone mo.
Shinzo. Lagay ko.
Anyway, belongs not high above the surface, but below. Thus, having taken care
Dalawang queen yan, no?
for the night, she vanishes.
Kumakabalaw ka.
Break of dawn.
Kung.
No! Return to Shadow now.
Pow, pow,
Bitch
pow,
ass.
pow.
Hindi. Wrong way. Wala na yung sasagot.
Again!
Mahala ka
You
dyan,
knew I could
Modi.
do it, didn't you, Freenos?
Nakikita ko.
Finally. Let me know if there's somebody.
Mahala ka dyan, Modi. Uunahan tayo.
night.
Shinzo. Lagay ko.
Hindi ka mauuna sa akin.
I've been attempting what you said before.
Presa ka banda.
Because
Okay lang. Don't give a fuck.
to many possibilities of negative outcomes.
I'm familiar with
Naman pa yung
that.
queen niya.
We have to
The next
consider
batch of
favorable
recruits have
outcomes
arrived.
side by side and plan for them. Then, at a certain point, all we can do is hope.
Modi.
For a sense of certainty.
Stop running.
My sister's fates to others represent
Stop
huge
running.
matters beyond one's control.
Dami na mga blunder ni Kyle.
So clear.
True.
I'd rather
Sinasadya lang niya yan eh.
How do I surrender? I wanna die.
More of this filth.
May queen ka na Kyle, tsaka meron ako pong bishop.
Pangalan niya.
Meron ka rin rook.
Surname
Wow,
again.
next up, Grandmaster. Sheesh. Share your triumph.
Shut the fuck up.
You've such disdain for
Share.
what we're trying
Para
to
mag-share.
achieve. You act as though nothing was lost.
Wala.
Don't you want to see Nyx again? Or Thanatos?
Don't I want to see my mother again or brother number I have no idea?
Whiskey boobs.
No, they were even more stuck up than you.
Ayaw ko yan.
No offense.
How can you say such things about your relatives? Were they crueler to you than this?
Ano nangyari? Ba't nawala?
Nyx always wanted things her way. Why should she, or anyone, have that kind of power over me? Because she made me? She didn't ask my permission, and I don't need hers.
I'm sorry. Moonlight guide you.
Don't need it.
Wala may horror game ka ba?
Moonlight
Wala.
guide you.
Gusto mo ng horror game?
Hindi ko gusto ng horror game.
Chess tayo Kyle, dali.
Chess? Paano?
Kasi sabi mo, hindi mo pa natatry maglaro ng horror game.
Paano?
Hindi ko nga rin alam
I'm
eh.
short on bones.
Create ka.
Farewell.
Automatic naman
Right on
yata
time.
may lalabas.
What do
Yan,
I need?
trade.
Stardust, man.
Random natin ng color.
Fair trade.
Paper.
Ano pwede?
Great game. Pausali ka lang.
Ayan na. Ano to?
Here you
Select.
are.
Ayan na. Wafer. Kita. Eto.
Ano pwede magawa? Pwede bang mag-react?
Fair trade.
Yan.
Roll ako lang.
What to cast?
Lula.
Power to create. This'll take a little while.
Biyay niya ako.
Come on!
The fucker.
Oh, we can shower with him.
Ay, alamin natin gano'n ako ka-bad luck. Bukas ako Hextech chest.
Baka ginagaya mo ako.
Huwag mo gayahin, idol.
I was just thinking nothing clears the mind
Okay,
like a
let's see my
refreshing
luck.
burning hot soak. Care to
Meron
come with me?
Look, I do love
Sana napaka-common opener
and I'm not one
ng nangyayari.
so
Bakit naging mirror?
Let's go!
Ginagahin sila yan eh.
Yeah, I have shit luck.
Why not?
So maglaro ng Outlast?
my eyes are properly averted, goddess. That
I won. Tit dog.
Would mortals often bathe
Ano
the
ba kung
deceased?
pwede mabigay kay Modi na mag-overtune ng luck niya?
most of them would bathe from time to time, though seldomly together like this. Men with women. It could be untoward.
I see. We gods have no such
Hindi,
thing.
maging okay na yung luck mo bukas mo. Tagal mo na yung malas mo.
That's an interesting.
Me? No, goddess, of course not. No.
Ano ba?
In fact,
Naglalaro ng Hades, hindi naman pinapakita. Hey.
it's been a little while.
Oh, eto. I'm taking a shower with Odysseus.
Ikaw na, di ba?
Ikaw na!
As long as it's
Ay,
agreeable
ikaw
to
na.
you.
Ikaw na!
Ikaw na, ay no, Rizal turn. Oh, nudge kita.
Such
Where the
a
body
big
shot?
eyes.
Ikaw na!
Why would you need the body shot?
Ginalo ko yung bishop ko. Hello?
Ano need the body shot of you? I need him.
Don't know about you, but I am properly
Naglag na ba yung
I
game?
say.
Ayan, okay. Wait lang. Nag-recon ako.
Moonlight guide
I
us.
can't move.
We'll get through this.
I can't move then.
I can't click.
Wait lang, Miguel. I'm just gonna farm. Oh shit! I got no plants anymore.
Salutations.
Leave mo na.
Wala ba kayong balak gumalaw?
Nawala ba yung game?
We've something brewing still.
It needs 2 more. Fuck.
Nawala ba yung game?
Ano yung pinafarm mo?
Hindi block.
Yeah, it needs 2 more encounters. That sucks so bad. Hindi, wait.
Hey. You miss being
Ay, hindi ko
prepared,
gets.
don't
Ano
you?
encounters what you mean? You need to,
Wala, I
parang
can't
daily.
move.
What?
Ano siya?
Ay, hindi ba kaya?
Mortals have a word
Ayan, ikaw
for
na.
deliberate
Ikaw na, idol.
cruelty or callous negligence. They call it
Wala
evil.
pa rin sa reconnect
I
ako.
could always catch wind of it. I'd go to the source, and whoever it was,
Bakit naman ang game na to?
them pay.
But now you're stuck here, and the evil goes unchecked.
Bakit naman ang game na to?
I'm sure.
Ay, na move. Shut up.
I'm part of the way there.
I wanna see the story, baby. Ano to?
Turn.
Not now.
Wala.
Ikaw pa rin, pre. Turn mo pa rin.
Ikaw pa rin.
Ikaw yung turn mo. Ayaw naman. Ano na lang ako kay Mat. I like that better.
Nudge.
Ikaw si Rizal.
Guard of the underworld.
Ristal!
Been gifted of age,
This.
almost within reach.
Sa akin, RZZ Stal's turn.
Let's nga!
Are you prepared to use the oath and
Yes
go the
nga.
other way?
Sa akin nga, Zay, hindi ako makagalaw.
I don't mean to leave you in suspense, Commander, but we'll
Gets
just
mo,
have
gets
to
mo.
Fuck.
So nag-transfer kayo dahil nag-mirror kayo.
With the equivalent of
Kinlik ko lang sa gilid eh.
Oh, nawala siya.
Hello.
I guess. Could do this.
Lolo.
Ano yung big rock mat?
come this far.
What that? Yun yung ginagawa ni Wayne kanina.
Yes, it's a chaos scenario. Parang parang ano? Alam mo yung eclipse? Ayun.
No, ikaw. Ang ina, sarili ko pa to.
Let's begin.
Yung...
Yung trial run sa Risco Frame.
Ah.
Turn mo, idol.
I think I need health.
So... Combat reward, dire-diretso lang.
Ano yun na ba yung game natin?
Wait pa natin.
So, end fight.
Ngayon lang nag-update sa akin.
Kanina yung kay... 8:30?
It's my turn.
4%?
Goddess of Strife.
Si Eris yun.
Namigay ko ba yung ano ko? Fuck.
I got my lord all around. Boy, but say frog, where the cat?
I don't have it yet, okay? Kaya nga nag-chaos run ako para makuha ko yung pusa.
No, not ni Wayne. Ayan.
Hindi. Ako kasi ina-upgrade ko si ano, yung palaka.
Hindi ko pa rin gets kung ano yung ginagawa ng
Frog?
those. Frog tsaka cat.
Abilities sila. Yung frog, it blocks projectiles. Tapos occasionally tumatalon siya, tapos yung mabagsakan niya, deals damage talaga.
Next vessel.
Oh, nakill out.
Mount or minute.
Happen. Oh shit, is that a proposal?
Ano nangyayari sa inyong dalawa?
Nag-pinless kami, gago.
Funny moments.
Anong nangyari ako kinain mo? Shit.
Ganda na sound design ng Hades. Background lang.
Saka idol. Hehehe. Hehehe.
What? Anong minove mo? Okay, kinain mo yung...
You've reached the rift that thoughtful Lord Poseidon
Right.
sliced across our pretty
Really?
Less
Did you
than
give
200.
enabling our foes to mass against us even faster than they could on foot. Just hurry over, hmm?
Oh shit.
What that? Oh, Aphrodite.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, tamo horny.
So-called the Papa. Comfort me, bro. Comfort me, bro.
Ang tingin napapansin ko or di ko lang nakakita masyado, less horny yung game na yan.
Alin?
Oh, you don't know the half of it.
Ay, half na talagang less horny or a little more horny?
Si Miguel.
Which one?
Si Miguel horny.
I can't even get that in real life.
I can't.
Ako na ba?
Dealing damage.
Ikaw na po.
Anong
If
minove
I
mo?
accept this message.
Minob.
Oh, you moved
Minob.
B5.
That's a
Minob.
feeling there.
Minob.
Minoba.
But I need to get 80% HP. Let's go, it's a well room.
Clear.
What is this lock?
Ano minob mo? Minob.
Floating island.
Clean.
Check.
Ano nangyari?
Check. Check. Check.
Ayan, may na-figure out nga pala ako.
Alin?
Ang sticker Steam gawa lang pala with web document.
Ang?
Yung application ng Steam sa web document.
Yeah, it's a web app.
Strong.
It's a web app.
Wait. Oh!
Lahat na nagagawa nila, I like it. Kaya ko nang basahin, kaya ko din manipulate.
Talaga naging manipulative ka.
Correct.
Web developer ako. Kala ko itin lahat yan eh.
Correct.
Correct.
Alam mo nga, favorite kita to, man. Paano?
Manipulative. Manipulative. Manipulative.
Akinan, kunin ko dito. Sige, ito na lang. Rapid fire cannon nar.
Ano?
Kaya ko naman.
Ikaw
Ano ginawa?
Mas saka naman.
Nilalaw na bishop.
Bishop.
Mali mas saka naman.
Bishop, tuwawa naman yung ano ko dyan. Yung, yung ano makaka-agad sa rin.
Boy pa ba si Modi?
Delivery arrived.
Need some type of ammo boost or something.
Awit. Awit. May lawit.
Ah, wait.
Need to recharge.
Me want those Kane.
Marin. 5 mythic. Let's go.
Yung Kane? Sa akin yung Kane?
5,
Sa akin yung
6, let's go.
Sa akin yung...
That's
Okay, anong minove mo?
Forcito.
Nilayo mo si Horsito?
Feels even sturdier.
Check!
Even Stardeer.
Check!
Hear me, on my authority.
Shit, ano yung move ko dyan?
Curious na ako na maging itsura ni Kara.
This should help.
Ang cute naman ito, pre.
Nagluluto pa yung artist nila.
Mas curious ako kung anong parang gagawin niya sa fight kay Kara.
I don't think... Ano kaya secret boss dito? No? I don't think Kara secret boss.
Trouble.
Dadagay nila yun.
Really trouble. But I should try.
Stop it. Stop bullying me, bro.
Kung ano lang yung check kayo lang ginagawa ko.
Stop bullying me, bro.
I'm not bullying you, bro.
Stop bullying me, bro. Why you bully me?
I don't bully you, bro.
Kala ba ayaw mo sa word na bro?
Sana, nagbago na si Rian, bro.
Grabe ka na rin. Nagbago ka na talaga.
Grabe.
Grabe nga nito.
Tab?
Fuck din yun.
Allergic ako doon, sorry.
Yung ano yung... Yan. Hindi ko nagtap. Sarap ko. Oh, fuck is that? Bishop pala yun. Wala akong move na, yan lang.
Yan lang.
Wala akong isip. Nag-roll ako sa TFT.
What?
Hindi na ako. Siyempre, ang daya mong ano. Patapa.
Daya ng pwesto niya, hayop.
Wait, it's me.
Go na, Lodi. Go na, bro.
Tumatulong yung fragment.
Takin na kayo, nag-pistol. Paano naman ako? Nailan pa ako.
Jesus Christ.
That was a hit marker. Why?
Why is it so big?
Alin.
Holy shit!
Same time, same place tomorrow night.
Man, did you die?
I died. Okay lang.
Man.
At least nakaluto na ako. Snap back to reality, yo. The ghost gravity, yo.
Trial and
Wait,
complete.
ano minove mo?
No making
Rook.
peace with one such as Eris, is there?
Ila yung... What?
Just isn't in her
Teka tayo
nature.
yung rook. Wait, my
Tang ina.
Kasunod kay Dora.
Kasi mo ah.
Okay, why not?
Kung hindi gusto mo mag-rest ko, brain.
Marvels such as this.
Just
No.
kidding. Totally susceptible. Gimme. At last, I have discovered a vulnerable point.
Nar. Nar.
Gusto mo mag-rest ko, brain?
Boom!
Moonlight guide us.
Sukal di papa.
Ah, you're here.
Smells
Kaya
delicious.
na,
What now?
it's tayo eh. Ay, 10 na. Umababa na yung princess ko. Ay, wait, 7 na.
Hindi ko na, pre.
Nalaro kami nila, Zyro, no? Iba kami.
Saan si Zay?
Kain niya aking...
Here you are.
Yung recruit.
Saan si Zay? This is Zay ron. Sorry.
Fair trade.
Para may motivation ako
Here you
mag-anime.
are.
Binili lang.
Stardust.
Simply efficiency.
Power to create.
Anong move mo? Okay.
Where the dog?
Nandito to dito.
Fucking shit, sabi ko na eh.
Ano nangyayari pag nalagay ko yun dyan?
Boom, concede.
I must say, you've been putting
What's it?
an old cauldron to good
Hindi na ba
use.
kaya yan?
I see
Hindi.
and sense the changes
Share your
in this
defeat.
place.
Share ko nga sa game room.
Just your own.
A proper incantation
Share ko
is
sa
never to
game
be
room.
used for selfish gain. Though, if I can help bring
Technique
about
kaya
positive
madali
change
lang.
from which I benefit, is
Ano
that
ba isa pa?
selfish still?
Paano mag-retry?
Discard such
Retry.
doubts as that. You are not thinking solely of yourself, thus you are not
Share
thinking
to me.
selfishly. I've not taught you to neglect your needs, have I?
Ano, let's try.
Of course not.
Siyempre, sali ka na lang.
Then good.
Join ka na lang ulit.
How?
I've little taste for
Wait
the
for-
traditions of the gods, you know.
Ano
Lest
yan?
you forget, I am a Titaness. Or in common with our enemy, I dare say,
What the
than with
fuck?
the likes of Zeus and his ilk.
No matter your heritage, Headmistress, you have been a sure and steady guardian of
white.
mine throughout my life.
Yeah.
A bit of tradition helps express the gratitude I
Pinaka-basic.
feel.
Boom.
Tradition is
O
all well
si,
and
ano,
good, lest 'tis followed blindly.
Sino?
Senselessly, I should say.
Sino ka? Sino?
Minds are often very
O si Queen's
much
Gambit.
aware.
Prince
Let
Gambit.
me not belabor your kind.
Hindi ko natapos.
Spoilers.
Meron ako merong last episode na hindi ko natapos.
Ikaw ba nabitin doon? Mali! King pala yun!
Ending lang nun Rian, ano lang eh. Nasa championship na siya, tapos sabi niya, ito ang
Ayoko
Queen's
na.
Gambit.
Ayoko na. Boss
Ayoko
naman.
Certainly do.
Fucking spoiler.
Hard spoil the chase. Siyempre, I was yung pinaka-basic na opener lang ako.
Oil in the spring.
May tawag sa opener na tayo, nakalimutan ko. Oh, fuck!
Visit to the baths with
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Sure, I'm honored to accompany you, goddess.
Hindi ko, kailangan ko yung Ginar. Kailangan ko yung Ginar.
Boom! 7
Ginar.
mythic?
baby. Shower time,
Ginar.
baby.
7
Sino yan?
mythic.
Sino yan?
Ginar.
MI7 mythic, bro.
I trust
Sa akin yung Ginar. Asokol de papa, please. No, fuck you!
You've met many goddesses even in your mortal days, haven't you?
Kaya na asokol de papa eh.
In this, I'm very
MI7
fortunate
mythic,
indeed.
bro. Yes,
Lady
I
Athena
am.
often watched over me.
I am him.
I'd never have survived the war if
You're
not
him.
her.
I'm
And on my
him.
travels home, there was Calypso
I'm
and
him.
Circe.
I know very well. Sorry your dishes.
I'm
Cersei
him.
used to
You're
study
him.
like a mistress, always with her crystals.
Boom!
And
Oh,
Calypso.
Hindi mo na lahat na nakilala niya are witches.
Nothing less
You're
than
him.
matter with respect.
I'm him. Teka lang.
These goddesses, the hospitality
Oh,
they showed
panic.
me, why,
Panic
Did
button.
Odysseus
Almost made me
fuck
forget myself.
gods?
No.
Panic button.
But you
Well,
cannot
not in a
forget.
sense, pero palaging nagagalit ako niya yung gods.
Even I know the
Sino
tale.
na ba? Ako na ba?
Yup.
it's a tale.
It's you.
Anyway,
See, pare-pare sa
Especially-
opener. Ano, every game.
take it from me.
No.
So basically, Hades 2 is just Hades 1 with more
That
of
was a splendid
everything
and much-needed
that
time.
made Hades 1
Truly
good.
appreciate the
So
invitation.
more romancing, more
motherfucker.
story, more combat.
Sa
more
akin
encounters.
goods yun na hindi gana nila nilayo. Kasi minsan magiging unfamiliar ang bigla eh, kahit no part ka
How
lang
many
siya.
attempts was that now?
Wala naman sasabi naman na bad. It's really good.
Busy with your
Yeah, it's
topside
really good
relatives
for
to pay
that.
you much attention.
Yeah.
I mean, nagtataka lang ako sa mga design choices na iba, pero it's still good.
Count. I'll get there when I get there.
Yung Michael Jackson sa
Let's
Rian
hope
dun
you
bigla.
didn't
Yeah.
push the Titan Lord on your very first go.
Yeah.
Guess we'll never know, will we?
Nagbabago nga yung language niya riyan eh.
Shush!
Bago na si Rian, pre.
Fair trade.
Beba na nakakausap niya eh.
Fine, ikaw na. It's your turn.
Oh, it didn't count?
Ano hindi Rick out?
Hindi, it counted pala. I already picked it up.
Ring.
Okay,
The fuck?
I think
I lost!
Revol.
let's
Binalibag aking...
go Medea. Let's upgrade Medea.
Draw greater power
Hindi naman yung Kyle.
Bakit hindi?
Akala ko na tayo sa gitna eh. Parang,
hidden power.
alam mo yun, peace lang. Nagbabantayan lang ng mga gwardya.
Oh, it
Bigla mo
requires
kinain.
2 now. Okay.
15.
I know exactly what I'm gonna do this run. Aphrodite. Ding 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 ding.
Free diary.
Feeling ko hindi ko kaya 5 minutes per region dito. Yeah, feeling ko hindi ko kaya.
Can you... Ano yun? Heat mechanic? So?
Oh, ito yung heat mechanic.
Can you what? Ang sabi ni Miguel.
Hate mechanic.
Heat!
Kau na kilang. Kilang.
Wait lang. I'm thinking what to put.
Alam mo, hindi ko malalaman unless itry ko. So, let's just try it. 5 minutes per region. Hindi ko kinaya yan sa ano. Hindi, duda ako. Duda ako.
No, there's no rain. Oh, wait, there's no rain. Oh, fuck, basta.
Sige. Ito na.
Ako na.
There is no risk without rain.
Yes.
Benino.
Fresh as rain this eve, gorgeous. Paid a recent visit to
There's no rain. Ano ba?
There's nothing like a good hot bath, especially with good company.
Damn, she knows. She knows na naligo ako. Grabe. This game is so good. Ito, bagong mechanic, Miguel. Pwede kong, kunwari, di ba, epic. Pwede ko na siyang gawing heroic. Boom!
That's cheaty.
Stay where you are.
That's cheaty.
Isi ako just in the park. Wait lang.
Madisi ka?
Ito na.
Ano yung hawak mo?
My weapon. It's the skull.
Ano yung minove mo?
What na do?
Hello?
Ano minove mo? Wala ko.
When I crash into stuff,
Naglag
they
na yan.
explode.
Just in the park.
Just connect ka lang.
I gotta lock in. Sobrang bagal ko, legit. I feel so fucking slow.
Wala akong ma-compare na weapon dyan. It's unique.
Ano ka rin, no?
So yun yung ano ng Chess in the Park. Pwede kang mag-multiple games. Oh, okay.
I'm so slow. I don't even care about the resources.
Mapukan yung game. Okay, ganun pala siya.
Mortal ba?
Ikaw na. Ako pre, malapit na mataan na to. Wait!
Anong tanong yun, Modi? Legitimate question. Anong tanong yun, Modi?
50% ko. Ito na yung 50% ko. Boom!
Diba? Told you.
Pirates.
Ikaw sa ano?
Space Industrial Empires.
Fuck, do I go Zeus or do I go... Yeah,
Wala akong mabigay out.
Shit. Sige, chaos. Fuck. Give me special damage.
Mythic?
No.
Ano ba ng Mythic? Give me the Mythic. I mean him.
I like na ginawa nila Sephiroth sa Chaos.
Sephiroth
Ito ang kinuha Mythic. Tangina.
Effeminate na itsura.
Namatay ba yung queen ko? Naglalag yung Chess in the Park.
Time you use attacks. Fuck. No.
Queen sa queen? Queen sa queen? Queen sa queen?
No special, told you.
Do I go shop? I think I go shop just to save time.
Ah, shit, mali.
Yes, yes. The luck of the gods.
Kung ako kumain sa phone ko. Ikaw na ikaw.
Horny God. Bakit ako lang nag-echo kay Rian?
I lost. I lost. No.
May reklamo?
I lost.
Pero hindi ko kailangan yung queen mo. Oh god, hindi mo ba... Ba?
Dapat lang huwag mo kainin yung queen niya.
Nilayo! Yung queen!
Ano daw? Check na.
Oh no, sayang. Akala ko makakawala ka dun.
Ano daw?
Showed
Please
up
pause the
just as I
time.
was about to settle all by myself. Oh, you can
Akala ko
have
makakawala ka
yours.
dun, legit.
At ang game na to, may kaaga.
Big Mom.
So impatient.
So, all the pang. Si Jay.
Yun dahil. Wait, ano na ba?
Sino to?
Ikaw na idol.
Sorry, Weber.
Alam ko pa naman.
Daming enemy variety.
Yung part ng isang hit is enemies from other regions can spawn. So yung parang sa risk of rain.
Ah.
How many times you going
So,
to
talo
take
siya.
that gold? Rules of this wager might be too much in your favor after all.
So, all
You
the
set the
papa.
rules of this wager yourself.
So, may experience yung hell mode yun
Easy on me, would you, Nem? Though you can't bring yourself to make
Lalo
things
ba to?
overly unfair for me either.
Beginning to think it might be a weakness of mine. Well, go buy yourself something nice, princess.
Ikaw na, bro.
Don't need to hear more metal clinking around.
Ayan,
if
ikaw
it's
na,
stuff
bro.
you Take anyway.
May hell mode na option na ba yan? Like, before mag-start yung game?
Wala. They, I think they removed that feature kasi everyone agreed that it was bad.
No, keep it.
One left.
Tingin ko pag dumating yung hell mode, then I'll play.
Fuck, dapat nagmana ako. I'm so dumb. It's fine. We move on.
Greetings.
Knock of the gods.
The fear in the air. 'Tis almost
Eatrox 3.
Ikatit.
You have made many vows.
Ano swerte ko ng game na to?
Feeling so very bold, or merely curious to see what shall transpire.
A little of each, headmistress. Perhaps I need
Kaso
to
talo ko
make a
dito.
mistake.
Lakas na ito.
It's fortunate
Putang
the
na.
vows contained within the oath can be undone.
Siya namamatay oh.
Those vows.
Gago, hindi ko napapatay yung frontline niya.
Done. But
Oo,
yes, the oath is oddly forgiving in this
Ang
way.
pangit ng ano? Pangit ng item na to kay Nar.
Strictly binding. Perhaps so.
May reklamo.
Maybe
Ang story weaver.
interestingly different from the last.
Kasi green.
Ano yung tagal ng ano ba?
Selene smite you. Night bloom.
To glory to Ukraine. Adventure action beat 'em up shooter FPS.
To God. My comrade.
Ano mag-castle? Hit.
So God, my comrades.
Conrad Hotel. Naku, natalo ko po, tsa.
Talo.
Didig down ko na yun. Ano?
No, you don't. 'Tis all right. 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 'Tis all
3-star Shen? 3-star Shen? Ayun, wala.
So, doon sa gauntlet lang ba pwede makakalaban si Charybdis? Or pwede din ma-encounter yun?
Sa overworld lang.
3-star
Oh.
Shen?
Wala, di ako.
12 seconds na lang ako. First region pa lang.
Ewan ko pare.
Walang damage.
Don't worry. Kailangan mo lang Bingbong mat. If you get Bingbong, you're good. Oh, never mind, you're dead.
Eto.
Oh, wait,
Oh,
that's
ewan.
never mind.
Pero nagkaroon ng difference yata yung 3-star ilaw.
Go,
Ba,
Freenos.
ilawi.
God damn. Check mo ako. Pinakita yun ah.
Patay. Double kill?
Fuck, I forgot to change into shovel this time.
Double kill?
No, triple.
Wait!
I can plan
Talo ko
my offerings. No, not you.
Close.
Aphrodite.
Ano kunin ko dito?
Hindi ko alam.
Shattered ka rin kukunin ko. Para kay ilaw eh. Shen? Yun, gago! Huge!
Henry. Huge.
Ano move mo? Pinasok mo lang yung king?
King.
King ina mo!
King ina.
Yung bago ko na nga rin yan.
Sana mali ako. Check ko dapat ako.
King ina.
Check ko dapat eh. Nakamali ako. Putang ina.
Curious talaga ako na mag-itsura ng mga yan. For sure, placeholder lang yung mga rings, right?
Yes,
Heading in.
for sure.
Kayang-kaya ko na yata siya. I think.
There's that rancid scent.
I think therefore I am.
Why? Bakit Hermes? I don't need you, man.
Eh, speed is speed,
I
okay?
am. Talo si Rian.
Kala nga ako.
Shield like yung playstyle.
Boy, please
No,
lapang.
no. When I dash into stuff, hindi yun iframe.
Or...
Ah, okay.
Nar! Level 9 eh.
That's not shield at all.
Hello? Agaw ko. Epal.
Nar.
Hindi
Oh
din
shit!
Do I need mana?
Sayang.
Kain, gago.
Report sayang.
Dami reklamo.
Yun.
Ano? Anong minove mo, pre?
On. Takbo.
Let me think.
Takbo. Takbo.
Tututututut.
Pinaglalaro na Stardew Valley.
Takbo.
Tututut.
Takbo.
Ay! Hinain!
Do I save
Tayo na.
time?
Takbo.
Hmm.
Takbo. Oo.
Pinapatak ko na yung mga block.
For a minute.
Takbo.
Yan ba yung may big room?
Takbo. Dun. Takbo dun.
Hindi pa. Second area pa lang. Third area yung big room.
Check. Kaya na
Nakain na.
Takbo.
Kaya na pwede itong
Beauty
Lalaro lang.
provides no shortage of
Takbo.
entertainment, I'm sure. Though I fail to see how a blessing can be of much
Alam ko na, pag
benefit
ginalaw
in
mo yung
such
ano.
judgment as ours.
F7 mo. Yan.
mga 30 assassination. Wait lang.
Takbo.
For you.
Share your triumph.
Isa pa.
We go Apollo here. Sige
Ano
nga,
ko yung ano?
Rate ko naman mag-rate.
Apollo dash siguro para masarap.
Yung makalti ko.
Well, if.
Ako din eh.
Ano ba ako? So, pirate.
Oh my god. I am Tilteroni Jabroni right now. Wow.
I am pirate, bro. Whoa. Dali. Empire.
11 o'clock na eh. You're just tired.
Ako, Sky Isle.
I am pirate.
Pirate.
Ano ako, white? White ba to?
Weird upgrade killer ni. What?
I don't even care anymore. Wala na akong pakialam. I just wanna go
Prismatic
quick.
party.
It's like we're at the bottom of the sea. Wherever it
Prismatic
is, it's awful
party.
dark. And as you know, I've always got the cure for that.
Patik parte. Gayahin nga, ulitin nga lang ginawa ko sa'yo kanina. Gagayahin ko.
No sprint.
Kupal.
Kit yan mga pirate. Gago. Agresibo ko, pre. Boom!
Talking shit.
Aggressive.
Bago. White album. Oh, sa okay.
Supplies inbound.
Ayoko ng prismatic party. Masyado marami nangyayari.
Di ba mas nasaya yun? Chaotic?
Chaotic.
So, minsan kasi may mga swerte na yung swerte na panalo agad din nila yung game dahil maganda yung augment.
Artemis.
The fuck? Aggressive na na.
Prismatic party.
I can't exactly drink
Aggressive
this in
nan pre ah.
but I can squirt away for safekeeping. Maybe once all this is settled, we can share a
You can
bottle
expect
and
yan.
be properly caught up.
Or
Love you,
failing
Artemis.
that, we could always keep on
course.
teaming against vengeful spirits and the like.
Or
Although it's nice to keep the possibility in mind. You've been so far from home for so long. Don't you miss being on Olympus? If not now, then
Think-
back before the Titan siege.
Overall
Being with my father,
agreement.
stepmother, my perfect twin brother,
Artemis
all the rest.
best.
Just because I'm willing to aid them doesn't mean I'm willing to live with them again.
Damn!
Support fire! Or any damage you deal can hit.
May special ba yung crit mo?
Big thinking right now. Pangit yung elements ko. I think support fire is the way.
Oh my god, wandering cleaner.
Kung wala namang special thing yung crit mo, why bother? Damage is still damage.
Sniper
Support
crown.
fire.
Together we shine.
Sniper bro.
Good hunting.
Sige, I don't care. It takes too much time to...
Ano daw?
Uy,
Sniper
yes.
ka ba?
What do you desire?
Ba't nag-sniper ka din ba?
Pipindutin ko na sana eh. Sige. Wag.
Ang RN.
Yup. RN tayo dito eh.
Basta huwag niyo sasabihin yung word.
Real nigga.
Now really isn't the time for petty
Hindi ko i-edit out yun. Tangina mo ah. Bahala ka sa buhay mo, tanga. Kyle Ang.
Sabi pa ng palad eh. Ayun na eh, ina-atake na
Babasa.
tayo ng... Ina-atake na yung buong buhay ko, gago.
Kings babasa.
Bakit may iba ng mga pangalan lumalabas? Wala pre, ako yung magli-leak ng group chat eh.
For content.
For content.
Sabi.
Mano siya kasi magiging aggressive ko ah.
bottled up. We got
Ano, nagbago ka na talaga riyan?
right?
Bakit? Ano na naman? Ano na naman, Miguel? Anong minove mo?
Rook.
Lalaro nila ba ulit ng British Net kung Quest o New Vegas?
Ligaya siya oh.
Ako ah. Ako din.
Ligaya oh.
Tayo na mo ah.
Ligaya siya oh.
Ano, puro
Alam
focus.
mo, ikaw na marunong mag-aggressive. Tayo na mo ah. Paano magawa ito? Boom!
Mag-checkmate ako!
Special. Wow.
Takbo,
Special?
run.
Wala. Eh, hindi, cast pala. Whenever you exit a location, restore 100% if you have not lost too much.
Run.
I mean, kung nag-rush ka, ibig sabihin, safe ka mag-rush. Right?
Gago, namamatay na ako.
Ito yung problema, wala akong lang power to attack.
You're a welcome sight, my lord.
Alright, jumping in.
Hey! Okay, music volume up.
Run.
They can't tear themselves away.
I love rhythm game.
That's why I killed the drummer first. Para wala na silang rhythm, pre.
Fucker.
One hit!
Bagay yata sa akin Hephaestus this run eh.
Anong ginagawa ng Festus ulit?
Bonk.
Ah, monkey bong. Hindi ka na associate na ano.
Wait lang, ano na nangyari? Ano kailangan ko?
Wait lang nga, gayahin ko nga.
Hindi mo marinig yung song, Miguel?
Fucking shit!
Ginawa niyo.
That sucks.
Ah, shit, di ko alam paano ko tatalunin si Cerberus, gago.
Gags.
Problema aggressive siya, no?
Gags. Paano pag sniper, Indra? Paano
Never
siguro
figured out how to deal with that.
Paano siguro
Iframes, Matt. Iframes.
Ay, wala nga akong iframes. Each encounter you gain 4. Shit, I need health. Basta I need lots of health, like legit. So I'm going bonk, okay? Bonk. Para masaya ako. Kasi ito yung last run ko for the night eh.
Yung mga locks. Amo mo.
This is a fleeting experiment. Yun lang yan.
Oh, beat.
Masaya na ako once natapos ko na lahat ng mga modules.
Modules ng estudyante.
I'm not your prey.
Meron pa akong 58 hours. Fucker. Eh, pagkatapos ko sabihin I earn big money sana.
Ganun yan, Miguel. Dahil wala ka pang real experience. Mababa pa yan.
For sure. Eh, there's no farming, hoping, dreaming.
Ano na nangyari?
Kinain mo ba?
Naglo ko yung Discord ko, pre.
Everybody
Loading ulit.
Apa.
Yeah, ganyan din sa akin eh.
Loading.
I love bonky mo.
Ano daw? Turn ko na.
Just love hearing him.
Yeah, it's your turn.
This is my father's realm.
No, I like him.
5 low streak na ako. Pagkapos ng first place ko, tignan mo, talo na ako.
Oh no, I'm lost. Where is it? No, not like this. I don't wanna lose time like this. No. Okay.
Imatay.
I don't wanna lose time like this.
Queen Lamia herself.
Hi, bitch.
Queen Lamia? Medusa?
It's a Lamia.
Ready, Homer? Hear me.
I don't know kung sino Queen Lamia. Ano, enter the Type of Lord.
Okay la. Sigasuhin ko muna yung TFT ko. Mamamatay yata ako dito sa Oh.
Sniper.
Oh,
So close to
actually.
Tartarus. Close to Tartarus. To Tartarus. To Tartarus.
Sniper.
Snip, snip.
Sniper.
Please
Sniper.
take care. Take care.
Sniper.
Fire?
Sniper.
Wala akong fire. Okay.
Sniper.
Whenever you take damage, restore some health.
Get back feedback. Farm mo ko yun naman yun.
Okay, sino may fire boon? Oh shit,
Sure,
si Apollo lang may fire boon, tapos may hammer dito sa kaliwa.
Hermes.
Rated.
Ah, yeah, Hermes has a... Oh wait, wala. No. No, not like this. Then. Fire boons will come up. Fire boons will come up. But a hammer is a hammer, okay? I'm taking
Monkey
the hammer.
bonk is monkey bonk.
Wait lang, ano minute mo?
Tinong-block ko. Tinong-block ko yung aking Rosito.
Felt that.
What the fuck?
Can't right now.
I wanna see everything.
Basta. VA na siya.
Big, di ba?
Ayan.
I wanna see everything.
Good enough.
Wala na akong pakialam sa HP ko, pre. Brute force.
No, mag-checkmate na ako.
Destroys. No, attack rolls up to...
Oh.
No, these are all shit, bro. No, these are all shit.
Ayan.
And close your eyes and hope for the best.
No! I lost! No!
I should be able to get out, I think.
Ineptitude.
Naloaded ka pa.
Yeah. Boon. Give me fire boon. Fire boon. Fire boon, pare. Fire boon. Yun, Apollo, fire. Light equals fire.
Encourages you to recombobulate.
For you.
Talaga! Niloko
With
ba
fire
ako?
boon. Meron na activated na.
Niloloko mo ba ako? Talaga? Re-recombob yan.
Hey, doggy dog.
Meron akong set. Stupid.
Hindi ko lang mobility to. I'm sorry. Hindi ko matagpalawag. Tayo na kasi nag-kiss mo tayo. Hindi na akong iniisip.
Re-recombob ng board ko.
Hindi na akong iniisip. Boom! Atake!
What did I get?
Hindi ko alam.
Everything.
Don't hit. You
I
can't
got
get hit.
everything, bro.
Pre, nalala na ako si Jess na to pa. Hindi ko sadya.
Hindi, one move ka na lang yun eh.
Hindi ko alam. Legit, parang ang bala ko lang ilagay, i-atake ko na yung queen kasi wala ka na rin naman ako. Ay shit, may queen ka pa pala nasa gilid.
Naglalaro ng TFT kasabay ng
I won!
chess. Koreanism eh.
This is a, ano,
Ano? Sige, kaya lang. Sige. Sige, kaya.
Planet one push.
I'm locked in. You gotta take risks, okay? Alam mo yun, yung mindset ko,
Me?
Miguel, yung
Si
ano,
Ash?
yung Hephaestus
Ash?
na you deal damage when you take damage. That's the mindset, bro. I gotta get it.
Bro!
I gotta get it.
The mindset, bro!
Is that mindset, bro? Is that mindset?
Ina.
Para akong si Kyle ang pre parot.
Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Alam mo na nangyari, pre. Lil Jimmy bought a house in
Una tanongin kayo. Baby. Yung mga trabaho na sila, iba na ugali nila.
Lil Jimmy bought a house in the south of Hawaii. The house turns out to be a 10 by 10 meter house.
One lang, pre.
Ay, 1 by 1 pala.
Malaki yung 10 by 10.
Malaki pa pala yung 10. A 1 by 1 meter house. First, we gotta illegally expand using galvanized square steel.
Who the fuck's you?
Alam si Miguel, di alam paano, walang TikTok eh.
Walang TikTok eh. It's a blessing. And a curse.
Wala siyang TikTok eh.
Hindi pre, blessing lang yun, curse.
Hindi curse yun pre, kasi
Di niya alam yung galvanized.
hindi niya alam eh. Hindi niya alam yung galvanized square steel. Paano ka gagawa ng bahay niyan? Hindi mo alam paano gamitin yung eco-friendly wood veneer.
Sabi niyo.
Ano ng boses nun?
Tapos yung mga screws na hiram kay tita.
Bakit?
Ano, mamatay na ako. Kaka-chess ko to eh.
Oh shit, Sisyphus mentioned?
Hindi yan, bro.
The rest to heave that boulder up that pathway.
Wala nang lumalabas sa team mo.
You forgave me
Tae mo.
anyway.
Speaking of, wait, yan yung person si Sia.
Oh, kita mo ba si Boldy? Ayun oh.
Yeah, that's Boldy.
He's got a beard now.
Ako, malabang ko to. Sino naman to?
Ikago ka pre oh.
Sino?
Si Manunggal Express.
Pal!
37 na lang, oh my god.
Wait, Sisyphus dead?
Pal.
He arrived, he said.
I mean, dead?
Well, then I'm grateful
Is he
to
dead?
the king.
Dede.
Kronos must not have accounted for your former prisoners being fond of you.
Ano mo naman ang gods ah?
Hindi God si Sisyphus.
Ay, hindi ba siya god? Oo nga, siya nga pa rin tulak ng bola. Sino pa
King.
kasahan? Gets.
O ay isang GOD.
Do I want my cast to do that? Sure. Ito na lang kaya. Damage. Damage.
More damage, more speed, more death. Diba?
Tama.
Ubod ang lalim ko na sa Team Store. Sex with Putin. Kaya gusto mo?
Wait lang. Wala nangyayari. Wala nangyayari, okay.
Naku. Surrogate.
Diba?
Hindi ako makita ng si Bear.
Bitch. Pwede na to eh.
Hindi ko afford mag-boss. I just need to keep going.
Painted crown.
My god, ano pa pangitan gagawin ko?
Painted crown.
Grabe BGM ah.
All way on. Inang random 3-star. What the fuck? Tinayaw na yan.
Almost there, I got
2 more, diba? Yan yung 5th eh. Or yun yung 5th? Ay, count.
God gave me.
shop na yata ang susunod.
Grabe bro, gusto ko na mag-FF ah. Ang sama ng roll ko ah.
God gave me.
Oh, press. Never say die.
Gago, ang sama ng roll
Never
ko.
say never.
Oh my god. Sobrang sama ng roll.
Never say never.
95% of 50 players.
Ang sama ng roll ko, oh my god.
Never say never, idol.
Buhay pa ba si Justin Bieber?
Olympus, I accept this message.
Ay, relevant. We're not entirely. Okay.
Tangina, tapos mag-second place, 8th place naman.
Ay, ready or not? 100 pesos
Kita mo
na
to,
lang.
Miguel. Kita mo to, Miguel.
Ah,
Gain bonus health based on your mana. Kaso 90. Ano yung 40% ng 90?
Tapos yung
Bakit
component anvil. Buy me component anvil.
32?
I am greedy.
Ito na lang, fixed gain.
My silver.
Restore damage. Ay, hindi, restore.
Ganda ng
Restore
door ni
mana
Cross.
when you take damage.
You must press on.
Hindi ka dito,
Uy.
Lolo.
You must press on. Ba't may
It's
on?
Cornos. Ay, makita ko na. Show me what you got.
My little
Bakit
contribution
mo
to the
i-on?
otherworld's design.
Gago pre, patay na yata ako.
Means of moving things along.
Hindi pa yan.
I call it
Gago.
Hindi yan idol.
end. Akin to the turning of the seasons.
Hindi yan.
Not
Ang
here
sama
at
ng
all.
mga rule ko.
Clockwork could have only
Hindi
come
yan.
from you.
Tangina, ang malas.
Going nowhere, groaning all
Hindi yan
alone.
idol.
Going nowhere. One with capacity
Okay, may
for
transma.
magic ought espouse a deeper
So, umiyak.
understanding of this world.
Tangina.
We are always going somewhere.
Wait, shit.
The future.
Oh, weak shit ka raw.
Sama ng role eh. Wala akong na-hit. Nag-ano.
Whatever you say, old man. Hindi ka dito. Asan yung mouse ko? Oh, boom, bonk, bonk. Bonk, bonk, bonk.
Pinilit ko yung exalt. Dapat sa dulo yan.
Titan of time.
Bonk,
Talaga. Titan of
bonk, bonk, bonk.
What the fuck?
Bonk, bonk. Hindi dito, Lolo. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Who cares?
From patutundet define.
Kawawa ni Matt. Si Lolo.
Hindi dito, Lolo. Bakit ako sa'yo? Learn
No.
your place.
Ang good days.
Hindi ka dito. Bonk, bonk,
Okay na one. Yung 7 story weaver.
bonk.
Bye, have a good time.
8th place.
Bonk, bonk.
8th place. Kawawi. Negative
I
10.
ain't got all day, old man. Bonk. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Bonk, bonk.
Hindi mo magsa-survive doon.
Oh, 999 damage yun, Miguel.
Gawin ni Sindra yan eh. Pero nag-pick ako sa team mo. Ayan, kala ko naman
Ano
magdadalo.
combo ba ko?
Minus 60! Oh my god, ang sakit. 2 chest ulit. Tangina mo, chest. Oh! Wait lang, paano mag-new game?
Shouldn't have done that.
Nice.
Sure.
Bonk, bonk, bonk,
That's one.
bonk, bonk. Asa na siya?
Somewhere sa gitna.
Bonk, 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 bonk. Wala akong pakialam. Come here, old man. Come here, old man. I win!
This matters not.
Oh.
Already well underway.
Whatever you say.
Shall not forget.
Ay, ano mangyari?
2 minutes 30 seconds to spare.
For my father.
Sounds good to
See?
me.
See, ang sabi mo you can do 5. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Ano, Phil?
Come
Ayan,
on.
Thank
sige.
you for pushing me beyond my
More of this
limits.
sand.
Fuck you.
My god, what is that?
Now you owe me the game.
What's
Ang
that
ina.
game of sorceress?
Okay, hindi naman yan lethal eh. Yan, boom.
I would surely tell you if I could. Alas, that's for the moment. I cannot.
Giant's belt, tapos bow.
Turn to shadow now.
Ah, fuck you, shit!
What? Oh, fuck! wait, what? Is that the item?
Well, that was productive.
Wag kay.
Ay, hindi. Glove.
Can you believe
Glove
it?
pala,
I
tapos...
did it.
Gago, paano yan pa dun?
What now?
It's an auspicious night.
Before I talk to anyone, I need to...
Bobo.
An incantation that can help.
Asin mo, di, tayo na. Akala ko sunfire na nagawa ko.
Oo nga eh. I was expecting Nashops to.
Glove daw, tsaka bow eh.
There you are.
Okay, your move.
Iba pa rin nasa isip ko, gago.
Ako rin eh.
Magbitin na ako. I wanted to see more.
Ano pre, dalawang panalo ko, isang talo lang, gumay.
Be worth the wait. Lord
That's
Morris.
it. That's it. You killed, you kicked the fucking Time Lord. Tapos sabi niya,
Hindi pa kasi tapos yung story, Miguel eh.
fucking early access bullshit.
The fickle nature of the Olympians and the fate-forged weapons that they used to seal away the Titans. She desired a set of counterparts.
What did you do?
Wala ba na natin sa benta ko to?
I suppose there ought to be another set of weapons forged to keep these in check, and another for those, and so on.
Sneaker.
What did you do now?
Ah, shit.
I wasn't.
Bakit lahat kayo may content warning?
Kupal!
Don't hate me, babe, okay? It's not my
Say
fault I
niyan.
keep lying to you, manipulating
Tingin na mo.
you, shooting you with the rail, making you clean up after me, saying awful things behind your back.
While I cannot shake the sense that this is a personal feeling of
Namura
mine,
pa
in
nga.
spite of everything, I don't hate you, Aris.
Namura pa
Not
nga.
entirely.
Talaga.
Although, whose fault is all of that, if not your own?
My mother's. It's Nyx's fault, that's whose. Because she literally made me what I am, and what I'll
Natalo pa ako.
always be. I could have been
Nanalo
old
pa to
age
si
or friendship, but
Manunggal
no.
Express.
And I can't change
How?
my nature, no matter how
We're the
hard I
same.
try.
I'm better.
Ultimately, how hard would you say you've tried?
Ano, hindi ko malaman yung mga pyesa mo.
Really yet, but I'm going to this time.
Asan na yung isang... Ayun pala po, tsa.
And I encourage you.
Good, alam eh.
Tama ba?
Siya makalaban ko.
Am I gifting him right? Asan ba siya?
Ano
Who is he?
to, anda?
It's
Ah.
Moros. Alright, time to bathe with Moros. Wait,
Lord Morris.
Body siya?
Ano nangyayari sa chest natin, pre? Gulo?
And by some
Body siya?
time, I mean, are you busy now?
I feared you'd never ask again, Princess. I've longed for the warmth of the springs since last we visited.
dalas natin.
He exudes Wakanada power.
Oh, Canada. He has
Yeah,
ashy
no.
skin.
Wakanada?
Oof.
I surely can get used to this.
No, nobody siya.
Your relationship with the Fates sounds like it must have been a complicated
You
one.
wanna see them effect?
You've never been on your own, have you?
I haven't.
Bully kayong kabayo mo, pre.
I grew up
Tigidig,
with their
tigidig,
watchful
tigidig, tigidig.
eye, and I'm more than their
Tigidig,
brother.
tigidig.
I was their guardian.
Tigidig, tigidig.
I couldn't protect them in the end.
Wag.
Perhaps they always knew I'd fail them.
Tigidig, 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 tigidig.
You can't go thinking
Ano ka,
that
baka
way.
mamaya mag-place ka
You
pa dyan,
have
ha?
the most important responsibilities in the world.
Piplex talaga ako
The
dito,
Fates are
pre.
as all-knowing as they come, aren't they?
Tigidig,
And it
tigidig,
stands to
tigidig.
reason there
Daya
wasn't
na train yan,
anybody
eh.
better suited for the task than you.
Princess, would you just let me wallow in my misery again? No, wait. Forget it. It's gone. A mighty incantation on your part just now.
Anyway, I know you
Tigidig,
love your
tigidig, tigidig.
sisters, but the circumstances being what they are,
Lakas to kalaban.
perhaps some distance will be good
Hindi
for
kaya
you.
ako.
Perhaps.
35%!
These
Hey,
things are good for
tatlong
me.
blue.
Of that, I have no
Tatlong
doubt.
blue.
Parang tingnan mo, one hit lang yun ng ano.
One hit. Kailangan ng ano, Sinra to.
Yeah, sinatro kailangan.
I think I really
Kaya mo
needed
to
that.
Ash.
And
Kaya mo
always
to Ash
wonderful to
bukas.
have your company.
Hindi ko na pa rin ito pala actual horns meron
Tatalo pa
siya.
ako.
Crown lang pala yun.
Smells delicious.
Sabi mo, tatalo pa ako ng...
What to cast?
Oh, shit.
Curious sila yun ako. Nandyan si Kronos, pero parang hindi pa namin-mention si Gaia.
Ito ba yung kalaban ko, pre? Ito?
Gaya.
Ah,
Baka si Gaia yung nasa upstairs. Baka siya yung third boss feeling ko.
Laran nga natin ko, boys.
Pero na-mention si Gaia actually.
You don't deserve this.
Yung kapag nagtatanim ako.
It's unfair.
Ano ginawa mo?
But you're stuck with it.
Not possible. Nor why si Gaia tumulong para ma-take down si Kronos.
And what do you even
Pero
know about
different
this
yung lore
who
yan.
says what?
Ano yung role ni Gaia?
Disconnect yung Discord ko. Ayun na, bumalik.
Basically, Gaia supports our cause kasi hinahayaan niya akong mag-harvest sa
Panalo ko, di ba?
farm.
Yun.
Panalo ko, di ba? Panalo ko, di ba?
Yup.
Don't mind me, goddess. I'm just busy drafting up some of our
Pero hindi si Gaia may control over
Tawag na agad pre, o lugi.
life sa hindi, control over sa plants in sense.
KDA yan,
and even greater gods, but
KDA.
never.
Kasi I'm a witch.
Gaia
Kayo din lahat.
provides.
To receive such a handsome
Bili ka lisin, ha?
such as you.
They say life takes
Gusto mo
strange
mag-
turns, and so
Pinaka the best Rakan. Six Warden, parang but ba?
You'll always be nearby to lend your
Six
counsel.
sniper.
I prefer Moros.
Abot yan, Lods, pag binenta ko to isa.
Narakan mo na.
I'll have to get more.
Forward.
Narakan Lord.
Concentrate.
God damn, Diklo. Dinana.
Diklaw.
Diana. Hindi lumabas.
Walang Syndra!
Hindi lumabas.
Ako na.
So, wala pa dyan si Persephone or si...
Second gift awaits.
Wala.
Actually,
82%.
hina pala ng comp niya gago.
Hindi pa nakakita.
3 star lang.
Ang Mortis ang hina ng comp niya.
3 star lang. Wait, mahina nga.
What the fuck?
Mag-tikpa ako kung ina.
Fourth place ka na.
I'm rather at a loss for words, I think. Though I
Dinana.
truly.
Dinana.
Oh, you better be.
Ay, Diana.
I mean, the
Syndra?
fates must have gone
Hello?
through to put these things together.
Hello?
But Knight's champion deserves only the best. Which is that last one you haven't seen just yet.
My mind reels at the thought of a sculpture in excess of those.
Malas ka mo. Hindi na pupunta sa atin
What's to stop me from merely taking
Doka nga mo, di.
Apparently you've already seen it.
I have no enemies. I have no enemies. Natalo tayong dalawa.
Balat sa quit. Tama 17% ako sa kaagaw ko.
Kanina may sympathy kayong dalawa tapos
Paano ako natalo na ito?
Ulit ko sa TFT game for them to turn on me.
Shouldn't be so quick to pin my sense of self-worth on
Paano natalo na ito? I'm better.
Slam mo yung slam mo yung tayo na yung gulam.
Okay lang.
Ay. Pero play again.
ang bilis nag-change yung
Tangin na mga kaibigan na puking ina.
Okay, yung chess in the park.
Pre.
Ako pala.
Hindi ka
Anong ginawa mo? Anong ginawa mo?
Nag-move na ba ako dito? I can't move.
Ako na.
Kanino ba unlock lahat ng weapon? Or sadya bang may isang weapon na hindi pa na-unlock?
Hindi pa fully upgraded. I don't know what this thing is. Feeling ko meron pang isa dyan.
Oh, na idols.
It's a mystery for now.
It's a gun.
Next time, I'm gonna go here. Alright,
It's a gun.
That's it for tonight.